my own way. I've been tracking on my way. I'm praying for my life, been tracking on my way. I don't drink on my own way. I don't pray for my own way. Smoking my loud and I'm smoking my ganja. Can't nobody time when I'm praying for my life now. Since that it's never easy coming on my trap now. Telling my shit on my life don't trap now. I don't know what they're telling me about. All of my G's, them are telling me about love. I don't care about that. I steady chasing my money, can't do buy for the love, you know. Talking my words in my mind, is telling me lies, me stroking me through. Look up in time, can't nobody time, but I've been working and praying. Talking my mind, telling me juice my body, calling me flow.
Flow, allow me flow like a river with no bank. Call me Flooz, I understand that's me. I see magic moments, so this is the magic, and this is how you understand the moment. I'm a king in my lane, allow me walk my path. I see kings in your lane, you should understand this. They might fall apart when they see me come in their face. They understand this guy's so incredible, but not am I. But I shot like that nigga, understand something. I flow without no stress. To me it's a habit, I'm addicted to it. Fuck me, I'm smoking, I'm getting high at the same time. I understand that it's wild day, but for me it's me. I'm not giving up the hustle. Mama say you must fuck off. I say yes, I fuck up when I'm giving help. Missionary, I'm no pastor, but I go missionary. Understand that? Tell this get to whoop whoop, cause I give a doggy. You understand that?
Yeah, you say me coming my way. Niggas spitting this shit is a whole way. Niggas thinking of his own money. Others say niggas own those. Niggas thinking about bitches. Thinking about money. And that's why I'm spitting my whole mind. Saying this shit like